Universal Stone is an extremely effective ecological multi-purpose cleaning product. The industry have understood the interest and sell it at a high price, while making your own is very simple. To do so, you'll just need the four following components: baking soda, white clay powder, Marseille soap flakes, and lemon essential oil to perfume. You'll also need the following tools: a kitchen whisk, a salad bowl, a glass, and a tablespoon. With the glass, take a measure of baking soda and pour it into the bowl. Add a measure of Marseille soap flakes and a half a measure of white clay powder before mixing it all together. Then, add half a glass of warm water and mix the whole thing with the whisk until you get a slightly thick but homogeneous paste. Once it's done, add about 10 drops of essential oil and mix again. Transfer the paste in non-transparent metal-free containers and your homemade Universal Stone is ready to clean your whole house naturally. As you can see, you can use it to remove stubborn traces of coffee or tea from your bowls, to clean your oven or gas cooker, or to restore the shine to your silverware. If you want to see more cleaning tips, we encourage you to take a look at our channel by clicking on the message which appears in the top right of your screen now. If you enjoyed the tip, please let us know by liking or commenting the video. It does help us a lot. Thank you for watching. See you soon for a new cleaning tip. Bye!